Hey viewers, thanks for tuning in with Consumer Resource again. Today I'm here to talk about something I just saw that the traffic courts are actually trying to ban this book from being sold anymore. And I ran into this book because I got a speeding ticket and I was really looking for a way to get out of it because I mean it wasn't a fair ticket and someone was actually going faster than me. So I found the site and someone referred it to me. And thousands of people have bought it. It's really been a very influential book. A lot of people they love it, and it's also saving a lot of people money on lawyer fees. But the main thing I want to show you what's in this book, and I guess it's no wonder that the traffic courts are trying to ban this book. But it covers stationary radar, moving radar, laser, pacing, aerial, VASCAR, construction zones, so many things. Like I said, thousands of people have bought this. A lot of really good information. It's like 197 pages. I love this book. How to give the judge no choice but to dismiss your case in less than 5 minutes. The one piece of evidence to ask for in court that the prosecution will never bring. How to have a laser ticket thrown out of court 90% of the time based on a technicality. You'll receive different defenses for different violations. How you can speed over the limit legally. There's actually a law in the books for that. An ingenious way to prevent the officer from going to court so that whenever you actually do go to court, he can't show up because you make sure that he's busy that day and then your case gets dismissed. Just so much in this book, and I really hope they don't end up banning it. It saved me $500 on my speeding ticket because I really was going pretty fast. Lots of testimonials. You don't have to testify on the stand. You don't have to argue with the judge. He guarantees all this. And I love this book so much. I really, really hope that this doesn't that they don't ban this. I really don't think they would be able to, but you never know these days. I know that this book is helping a lot of people, though. Some more awesome things that I love about this book. Bring a certain document with you to court. I mean, I can't say this stuff. And he'll tell you what it is. And watch how fast your trial ends. Find out the importance of reading the back of your ticket and the irreversible troubles that can occur if you don't. How to prevent the judge from rescheduling a new court date in the event that the police officer fails to show up. See what the cop is legally required to do during a traffic stop that they never do, and how to use it against him in court. How to make the prosecutor beg you to take a plea bargain and prevent the ticket from showing up on your record. Exactly what to say to the prosecutor if the prosecutor fails to show up to court to stop the trial from going any further, and just say this. I mean, he says you just say this one thing and the case is over. And a brilliant way to actually admit to speeding in front of the judge but not get found guilty, and only admit speeding in court by doing it this way, and you actually will get it thrown out. So another thing is, one thing you should never do in court that just about everyone does: avoid making this one common mistake and you'll win your case. How to get a new trial in front of a different judge in the event that you are found guilty. This is ridiculous, guys. I really hope that this doesn't happen. It better not get banned. Avoid 3 deadly mistakes people do before court that automatically loses the case for them. How to find fatal flaws on your ticket. 1 in 25 tickets has one, and you can win your case even before you step foot in the courtroom. Discover the very first thing you should do when your case is called. Skip this important step and you're screwed. How to use the radar gun serial number to have it thrown out as evidence so they'll have nothing to convict you with. How to beat a radar enforced speeding ticket within 2 minutes of the start of trial by using this cunning tactic. How to beat a laser enforced speeding ticket each and every time simply by asking for this. How to beat a work zone speeding ticket by utilizing a special law that prevents the officer from conducting traffic enforcement in this area. Several ways to beat your speeding ticket without ever having to cross-examine the police officer. An easy, almost unbeatable way to wipe out moving radar, pacing, VASCAR speeding tickets. Take advantage of a secret government ruling that practically forces the judge to dismiss the entire case against you, and he'll give you complete access to all of this. And I mean, this is such an amazing thing. It comes with all kinds of bonuses. 3 bonuses There are free auto insurance secrets, over 60 fuel-saving tips gas stations don't want you to know, how to get someone else to pay your speeding ticket. There is actually a company out there. I think it's a government owned company, but it will he'll tell you how you qualify for this, but you can actually get this company to pay your speeding ticket, and that's the exact purpose of why this company exists. So it's something that I believe the government set up. But I mean, there's just so many great things in here. I mean, the one word you should never say to a police officer, but everyone does anyway, you'll never guess what it is. How a photograph of this particular person will easily have you driving away with just a warning. Discover several ingenious ways to use ordinary paper and pen to avoid your next ticket. How a regular bottle of Aquafina can make you ticket-proof. Why you should not have your driver's license ready for the police officer ever. Put one of these on your car and virtually eliminate any chance of getting pulled over. Hint, it's not a police decal, okay. Why every female should keep a picture of their boyfriend or husband in the car to make the officer completely change his mind about writing the ticket. How to get the officer to think you're an off-duty cop without getting arrested for impersonating one. What 5 words to say to the officer to dramatically increase the chances of beating your ticket in court. And there's just so much here, and it's such a cheap book. It's, you know, this is really ridiculous. There's all these other bonuses on people that live in California, people, I mean, the one on case law, I mean, just so much more. Anyway, it's got a money-back guarantee, but I just wanted to show you guys this. Like I said, it would be a real tragedy if this weren't available to the public, because it's helping a lot of people. I know thousands of people have gotten it, and it's gotten great reviews. But anyway, I'm just going to put the link up in the YouTube description. You guys can check it out for yourself. I mean, I only went through half of what is in this book, but it's like 200 some pages and stuff, and then you got all these free bonuses, and you know, I couldn't be happier with this book, and that's why I'm kind of doing a testimonial, and at the same time I'm kind of pissed because I really don't think the court should be able to make this book illegal, like I've already reiterated a few times. But yeah, with that being said, just check out the link in the YouTube description. It'll show you everything that this book is about and why it's getting so much attention. With that, I wish you guys luck. Hopefully you guys aren't getting too many tickets, but I know if you are, this is going to help you a lot. Thank you and have a good night.